Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you another video. This is twice stuffed baked potatoes with shrimp, broccoli, and cheese. So I am using some jumbo baking potatoes. I got these from Walmart. So I did go ahead and just clean them. So now I'm just rubbing some olive oil on them. You can rub butter on them. And I'm just doing this before I put them in. I'm sure everybody knows how to bake potatoes. So I'm just rubbing that olive oil on them, and then I'm just going to be wrapping them individually, and I'm going to put them in the oven. So because these potatoes are so big, I put them in the oven at 425 for about an hour. I just wanted to make sure that they were done. You know, when they're done, when they're soft and they're not hard. So I'm just taking all of the aluminum foil off. You want to make sure that you let these, cool off a little bit before you do the next step. You will get burned, okay? So make sure that they're cooled off. So I'm just taking my knife and gently making an oval shape at the very top. I'm not going in really deep or anything. I'm just doing it to where I can, get the skin off. So once I take that skin off, I'm just going to take a spoon and you're just going to start scooping out. But you want to be extra careful because I don't know how many times I did this in the past and would just mess it up. Like the sides would just be all messed up. So just make sure that you're scooping in the middle. You can do the sides, but don't go too deep because the sides will be non-existent. You will mess up the tear and then it won't hold well. So you just want to make sure that it's like a little boat. And once you are done, this is what the inside should look like. And I'm just going to continue to do this for the rest of the potatoes. All right, so once I'm done with that, I like to put salt and pepper on the potatoes like this because they need love too. They need seasoning too. I mean, you're going to eat this part too. So the insides of it definitely need to be seasoned. And I like to put a little bit of butter inside so that it can melt and it's not going to be dry. So now I'm taking the potatoes that I scooped out in a bowl. I'm just putting a little bit of sour cream, milk, and I did go ahead and put some butter in it. And I'm going to go ahead and season it with salt and pepper. So I don't have exact measurements. I just eyeball it and just see how much I want of it. And then once I stir it all together, I go back and see if I need more milk or if I need more sour cream. And this is just going to make it nice and smooth and creamy. So I'm just chopping it up while I'm mixing it together. And you can have big chunks if you like. You can have really, really small chunks, whatever you prefer. That's what you could go ahead and do. So I just went ahead and cooked my broccoli off camera. I just steamed it. So once my broccoli is cooked, I just go ahead and put it into my potato mix and I just mix it all together. And next up, I'm adding my favorite sharp cheddar cheese. You can put as much or as little as you like, and I'm just going to stir that all together. And I'm just adding a little bit more milk just because I want it to be a little bit more creamier. And once I'm done stirring, I'm just going to get my little potato boats and you're just going to start stuffing. So I actually had a lot left over It's always like that with me, I guess because I leave big chunks of potatoes in there. So you can definitely overstuff them. That's absolutely fine. Don't think that you just have to stuff them to where it stops. No, go ahead and stuff them to the top. As you see, that's what I'm doing. And of course, I just go ahead and stuff it with some extra cheese. You know, I love my stuff cheesy, so I'm just sprinkling a little bit more cheese on top. And what I'm going to do next is just put them back in the oven for about 10 to 20 minutes. It just really depends. I left them in for about 15 minutes. But while that's cooking, I'm just taking my shrimp. I cleaned them first and I'm just putting some salt, some garlic pepper, some Italian seasoning, and some pepper. And I'm just going to mix that all together. So usually when I saute my shrimp, I use butter, but I decided to use oil for this, and my pan is on medium heat, and I just go ahead and put all the shrimp in, let it sizzle, and let it cook. I do about 3 minutes for each side. I don't want them to be too rubbery, so you want to make sure that you don't overcook them. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn them and flip them over. And then once they cook a little bit more and I see that they're almost done, I just take my spoon and stir them all together. Okay, so it's about 15 minutes later and I'm taking my potatoes out the oven, and now I'm just going to take my shrimp and start topping my potatoes with them. And once I'm done with that, I like to sprinkle it with some melted butter. And also I am just going to put a little bit more black pepper on top, as well as some parsley because I love parsley. But if you want to be extra fancy, you could go ahead and chop up some scallions and put that on top. That will give it some really bright, nice color. And usually I like have baking on top of that, so I like cook some bacon and chop it up and put it on top. Is so good, but I just decided to stick with this, and this is the end result, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want some more food tutorials. I'll be more than happy to make some more. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all on the next video.